Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an updated PDF reader and access to the original file. Open the PDF and inspect size, embedded fonts, and high-resolution images because these often trigger printing failures. Once done, use Print Preview to check page range, scaling, and color settings so you know what will print. This step reduces guesswork and lets you spot obvious issues like missing fonts or oversized images before you send the job to the printer. Now adjust printing and file settings to remove complexity that trips printers. You should set the exact paper size, orientation, and scaling. This prevents clipping or unexpected page shifts. If fonts or transparency cause errors, flatten layers or export as a simpler PDF, or use the print as image option, which rasterizes content. Alternatively, print to PDF or save as optimized PDF to create a clean copy. This often fixes corruption and makes downstream printing reliable. Finish by testing and applying targeted fixes. Print a single page first, then a short range to confirm success before printing everything. If problems persist, switch printer drivers to a generic PostScript or updated driver because driver incompatibilities cause many PDF print errors. Make sure to restart the print spooler, and if needed, try printing from another computer to isolate the issue. If nothing works, export the document as a different PDF version or rasterize pages. That typically
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.